Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio, and today I am working on a little canvas. This one is a stack of birds, and right now I'm just trying to find scraps of paper that will fit the birds, and then I cut them out, didn't make you watch that part, and now we're gonna get them glued on. Now on my drawing you can see off to the side there I made the big bird a little too big, but we'll just tilt it up a little bit more and make it fit so its beak's not going off the edge. I hope if you've been watching this series that you have enjoyed it. Please leave me a comment below. If you watched them all, let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Did you like it? Can you see they all sort of are coordinated because I've used the same pile of scraps, painty papers for all of them. On this one I started using that pen and I forgot to go over it with Mod Podge to seal the papers down. I am using Elmer's Extreme glue stick, so hopefully that will be good enough because this pen is water reactive, so if I went over it now it would just make a black mess and we don't want that. So I'm just going in here and giving it some details, adding the legs, giving them eyeballs, you know, the usual stuff. So this one, I keep the background plain. I don't do anything there, but I do take some strips of color and just put it along the bottom so there's like grass or some sort of ground for them to be standing on in funky colors. It's all good. Alright, so now I'm going to go around and just color the edges, give it a little bit of a border. And then I'll come up with some words and we're just about done. That was a quick one. Well, as always, if you like that, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, leave me a comment. And if you're not already a subscriber and you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.